Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yuzu lemonade. First, gather your ingredients: fresh yuzu, lemons, sugar, and water. Next, prepare your citrus by juicing both the yuzu and lemons carefully. Then, you'll create a simple syrup to perfectly sweeten your lemonade. Finally, combine everything for a wonderfully refreshing drink. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure a delicious result. To begin, thoroughly wash your yuzu and lemons. Rolling them firmly on a counter before cutting helps release more juice. Carefully cut each fruit in half. Using a reamer or juicer, extract about 1 cup of yuzu juice and 1/2 cup of lemon juice. Be sure to strain out any seeds or pulp for a smooth lemonade. Now let's make the simple syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture gently over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar completely dissolves. It's important not to boil the syrup. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely before mixing. With your simple syrup cooled, it's time to combine everything. In a large pitcher, mix the yuzu and lemon juices with the simple syrup. Then, add 3 cups of cold water. Stir well and taste, adjusting for sweetness or tartness if needed. Serve your delicious yuzu lemonade over ice, perhaps garnished with a fresh citrus slice. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.